Hi everybody, welcome to a new episode of Easy English. So today we wanted to try something a bit new. Instead of talking about one subject specifically, we wanted to go out and just make general conversation with strangers on the street. Hopefully you'll get a really good sense of what it's like making genuine and real conversations in English. If this is a style that you personally would like to see more from us in the future, or you're a regular Easy English viewer that's not yet a subscriber, then quickly hit the button below and we'll get going with this week's subject. This is Real Conversations with Strangers. Here we go. Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm very good, thank you. How's it going today?
Pretty well, thank you.
Yeah, you feeling good?
Yeah, had a quite relaxing morning. Getting some fresh air.
Oh yeah, day off today maybe?
Most days are a day off these days.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Since how long?
For about 3 years now.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
And how does it feel? I'm guessing we're agreeing that you're retired.
Yeah, kind of. Or between work, shall we say.
Okay.
Yeah, between jobs.
You're getting a taste for it.
Yeah. and I came out thinking that the weather was good and I'd be able to play basketball down at the court, which is why I've got this bag, but the southeasterly winds are always horrible, so I thought I'd just go for a long walk rather than run around.
Hi mate, you alright?
I'm good, mate. How are you? You alright?
Yeah, really good, thanks. How's your day going today?
Yeah, good man, yeah. Not so busy today, just a quiet one, but no, it's all good. How about you?
Yeah, pretty good. I'm almost done. I can go home, but
Good.
I've got to stop by the Asda.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, exactly.
Big dinner?
No, deodorant.
Oh. Yeah, to be fair, you're kicking up a bit.
So, how are you doing today?
Good. I'm on holiday, so I'm excited about it.
Oh wow, cool.
Yeah.
How long is your holiday, and how long into your holiday are you?
This is my first day, and I'm actually only here for like 3 days.
Oh great.
Yeah.
In Brighton or the UK?
In Brighton. Specifically just Brighton, to visit a friend.
Great. And have you been to Brighton before?
Years ago, yeah. I had a friend who was at university here, but I haven't been in, I think, 10 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what are you making of Brighton so far?
So far, it's good.
Okay.
It's not raining. That's a good start.
And where have you come from? Did you say already?
I flew from Amsterdam, from the Netherlands.
And are you Dutch?
I'm half Dutch, yeah. Half Dutch, half German.
And how is the UK comparing to Netherlands, sorry?
Weather-wise, probably very similar. Attitude-wise, probably a little bit different.
Oh no, this isn't representative. This is like not a normal day in Brighton, I think.
Not a normal day. Why is that?
Because everyone thinks that it rains all the time, but I film quite often and I don't get rained on very often.
That's good. It rains a lot in the Netherlands.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Hi mate, you alright?
Yeah. How are you? You're okay?
Good, thanks. How's it going? You
All
feeling
good.
okay?
All good. I mean, nice weather. Wednesday midweek, got paid. All good.
So how's your day going so far? You're working?
Yeah, I'm working at the moment. Actually, I'm having a ciggy. But I finish early. Finish like 7, so it's fine.
Oh really? What's your job?
I work in a restaurant as a waiter. Yeah, that one over there.
What have you been doing so far today?
We just waiting our kids from school. Yeah,
Nice.
It's 6 hours. Yeah, from the 9
Yeah.
till 3 o'clock. It's 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 6 hours.
Yeah, I remember.
And they working and just have the working near the seaside because we just moving to Brighton.
And how old are your kids?
6 and 9.
Well done. Hi.
Hello,
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you. How's your day going so far?
Good. I just left Sea Life Brighton, and it was really nice. I got to see all the fishies and the sharks. It was really cool walking through the sea tunnel and watching all the sharks fly over, even though they're not flying, they're swimming. But it was it was really nice seeing all the jellyfish because I love jellyfish.
Okay, is that like your favourite animal?
Well, no, my favourite animal are cats. I'm quite basic, but I think jellyfish are just really cool because they just vibe in the ocean. They just swim around. They don't do anything.
Yeah.
And they're really like luminescent. I like how bright they are and stuff.
Yeah, they're kind of like the most alien-looking
Yeah.
animal, really, aren't
Yeah, I don't know. I just find them fascinating.
they? So, hello.
Hi.
How are you two today?
Yeah, fine, actually. Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, good.
And what have you been up to today?
Well, actually, just looking around, maybe take a walk by the sea or
do a little bit of shopping.
Yeah. So it's our third time in Brighton.
Okay,
Yeah,
you're not
so-
local.
No, we're not local. Not at all.
Okay, whereabouts are you coming from then?
We're from Switzerland. Yeah.
Near Zurich. I don't know
Yeah.
if you maybe know that.
I have a friend living in Basel. That's the only thing.
Right, yeah.
That's
It's
quite
quite in another region.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
like
okay.
2 hours.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Zurich.
how does
Zurich?
Brighton compare to Zurich?
Oh, wow.
It's a little bit cozier,
Yeah?
don't
Yeah.
you think?
It's
Like,
smaller,
yeah.
of course, but people are so much cooler here.
Yeah.
And it's very colorful. You know, because Zurich can be very, how to say that?
It's
It's for rich people.
Yeah.
So they're a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
I don't know.
Before we carry on with this week's episode, I would personally just like to invite any of you that are looking to practice or improve their English conversation skills to our online Zoom conversation classes. Our conversation calls are for anyone who's looking to regularly practice speaking in English with me, Easy, and other conversation members. Our calls happen every Tuesday night on Zoom in our online themed pub. It's a relaxed and inclusive atmosphere where we let you practice, make mistakes, and meet all kinds of people looking to improve their English from all corners of the world. Perhaps you want to improve your English for family, for travel, for loved ones, or perhaps for a job where they need you to have a certain level of English. We talk about fun, interesting, but mainly necessary subjects that you'll need to improve your English, such as work, hobbies, pets, life, and more. So if you're someone who wants to improve or practice their English speaking skills, then go to easyenglish.video/membership and join our conversation membership. If you're perhaps feeling a bit nervous or you're not too sure what level your English conversation skills are at, then we're offering you a 7-day free trial to get 1 free conversation call with us. We're looking forward to seeing you in our Easy English pub. Now back to the episode. Hiya, you alright?
Hi, yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm really good today, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. I've just been walking around shopping.
Yeah?
Got some Pokémon cards, so, you know, I'm pretty happy.
Okay, what have you got? Have you got
I-
any specials, any shinies?
Let's have a look.
Is it shinies? Is that still the term for...
No, it's like holograms, but like,
Sorry.
they're so rare. And no, I don't get anything good in
Nothing
this
decent.
pack. No.
But that's not the point, right?
No, it's not the point. It would have been nice if I could have got my favourite Pokemon, which is Greninja. Don't know if you've ever heard of it.
I've not. Is that what you're on the hunt for?
Yeah, or anything to do with that Pokemon, really.
Okay.
It's like a frog, kind of like a frog.
Okay.
It's like a blue frog. It looks awesome. But do you have a favourite Pokemon?
You just made me think of Squirtle.
Squirtle? Yeah. Everyone loves the original Pokemon.
Are you a fan of swimming in the sea?
No, I'm a fan of the idea of swimming in the sea.
Having the look of someone who...
Less so the practicalities. I'm not very good at being cold and wet.
Okay. Have you never been... Do you not go in ever?
Oh, no, I've been in loads of times.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm not one of these... Yay, it's -2 on December the 25th. I'm going to go and throw myself in the river. It's like, no, I'm not going to do that. I'll sit in front of the fire and keep warm.
Yeah, I'm the same. Exactly the same. What would you consider a good tip? Or what is the kind of the rule you would say nowadays about tipping?
I don't really have a rule about that, honestly. No, honestly, like in America, it's 10% of the bill. I don't really think like that.
Yeah.
Whatever you feel like comfortable doing, I'm more than comfortable to accept, you know. It's not even, I don't even think in that way.
Yeah.
It's not the place to think like that, if you know what I mean. But yeah, the money's good. The money is good. The people are amazing. The food is beautiful.
Is there a bad side to your job? Any negatives?
It's just having to work. It's just having to work.
You'd rather just not work, if possible.
Yes, yeah. Or do something else.
I know that feeling.
Yeah. I mean, as a kid, I thought to myself, by 40, I want to retire. I don't care. I'm retiring by 40. No, I'm 43.
Yeah.
It didn't happen.
What would...
Yet.
Okay.
Yet. Let's be positive.
Yeah. Are you from Brighton?
No, we are from Ukraine, but before we live in London, and we just move in these first 3 days.
Oh, wow. Okay,
Yeah.
tell me which place is better, London or Brighton, you think?
Oh, I can't just saying. It's so different place. It's London. It's too much gallery and people and some I know it's like a so expressive energy. But in Brighton, it's more slow living, and the ocean. It's so different. It's like New York and LA. Or like a French Riviera and Paris, and totally different place and two amazing place.
Good comparison, okay. And what are you doing with your kids later?
We are back to the London
Okay.
because we have fled just from the tomorrow.
Okay. And when you say cats, you mean house cats or like big cats?
Any cat. My favourite cat specifically would be snow leopards. I love snow leopards, and I love the fact that they have a really long tail to balance themselves when they climb mountains and stuff. Even though they're snow leopards, they don't actually live in snow biomes. So they live in like rocky biomes. So it's
Do you own cats? Do you have cats?
I have a cat. I have one cat, and then I also have a dog, and they fight all the time. But they're really cute. So I have a little orange cat. Well, I say little. He's quite big. You mistake him for like a Maine Coon kind of big.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh man, they're
but
massive.
he's just a normal house cat, like a tabby cat, but he's just massive for some reason. But yeah.
Yeah, I was going to recommend, if you don't have cats, they have like a cat cafe.
I heard about it. Yeah, I've got so many plans for today, but I might have to stop by, have a little look.
Yeah, so you probably are like someone who just normally has like hairs in your coffee every morning and stuff anyway.
There's hairs everywhere. It's to the point where I just kind of like blur it out. I can't even see the hairs anymore. They'll pop back up in my vision right before I leave the house, and I see like my leggings or my tights will be covered in cat hair, and I'm like, oops, oh well.
Yeah, I'm the same. I have a dog, and I'm exactly the same. Like constantly dusting myself now. So what would be the dream scenario then, if you were to have retired at 40? What would you go into doing? Do you have a passion?
Oh, I have many passions, but I think that one would immediately be to get a farm, a small plot of land, have some animals. You know, I like plants, I love plants. If you're into plants, it's another thing, it's another dimension. You're not even there, you know. And it's an empathic thing, like you develop empathy with plants, which is a bit weird.
Yeah.
But you definitely do.
If
your plants will to know, oh my God, it's like an animal, you know.
I actually, my top of my list of ChatGPT is I have a monstera that died. It got gnats, and I panicked, and I'm just like, honestly, I'm treating it like a child. I've spent too much money on like this like weird breathable soil.
Yeah.
I can't remember the name now.
Yeah. Perlite, maybe?
Perlite.
Perlite. I know my plants, I told you.
Funny. So do you have a plan for tonight in Brighton?
We probably have some dinner. Yeah. Somewhere.
Yeah.
Somewhere nice.
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
And we wanted to see the sea.
Yeah.
And I want to go to the pier.
Yeah, to the pier.
Okay,
Really walk a little bit into the sea, sort of.
Really? Go for a dip in the sea?
No, like on the pier, but
okay.
it's a little bit further away from the beach. So.
Right, okay. And are you going to have some English food, or are you going to dine out somewhere else?
We will see, I guess.
Yeah.
Do you like English food? Have you tried English food?
We haven't tried English food yet.
Okay.
But
we ate a lot of Asian food.
Yes.
Yeah.
Japanese and Chinese and.
Yeah. Have you tried any Indian food here? Like England is obviously quite well known for its Indian cuisine.
Yeah, we actually just saw a restaurant around the corner, and they serve Indian food.
Yeah.
Maybe tried it in the evening.
How long are you working for today?
I'm working only until about 5 actually. I've got an evening off.
That's decent for restaurants, isn't it?
Yeah, Bonfire tonight in Lewis, Lewis Bonfire. So I'll be over there this evening, which I'm looking forward to. Go every year.
What's a bonfire?
A bonfire is culturally very different to what it literally is. Just a pile of wood that you set fire to, literally. Culturally, it's been going in Lewis for 150 years. It's the biggest bonfire society in the world.
And then how about later on tonight? What's your plan?
So we are off to Lewis Bonfire. to try and give that a go, and hopefully the traffic is okay.
Wow, what's a bonfire?
A bonfire is a ginormous pile of wood which you set on fire.
Why?
On this occasion, it's to mark November 5th, which was historically was a failed attempt to blow up the Houses of Parliament, and it's to, I think, essentially remind politicians not to be too outrageous and keep them in check a little bit, and also remember the failed attempt and the people who were brutally executed.
Wow, English culture is very strange.
Yeah, there we go. But yeah, that's what Bonfire Night is about.
And lastly, what are you up to tonight?
I'm watching a basketball game on TV. I've got a friend who plays professionally in Italy.
Oh, really? Wow.
And unusually they've got a midweek game this week, so I'll be tuning into that at 5 o'clock.
Wow. Is that who got you into basketball then?
No. Me and his mother were muckers when we were both playing for Sheffield 35 years ago.
Wow.
And it's my friend's son, so he's been brought up very much in the heart of the basketball family.
Oh, right. But in Italy now?
He went over as a 16-year-old as a professional. So he has Italian papers and plays as an Italian in the Italian league, but still gets to play for GB internationally.
Wow.
So
okay.
seeing his rise from a skinny little kid about my height to now being 6'5" and 15 stone, it's been quite inspirational. It's helped me on my journey back to trying to compete again at a high level. So
that's great. It's so great to watch him live on television.
Yeah, it's brilliant.
Knowing him, like.
Yeah, I'll go to the shops and get some salami and Italian pizza. And Italian. All my store cupboard has become desperately Italian over the past few years, and as a consequence, my diet's improved enormously.
That's fantastic. I'm looking forward to that.
I am. It should be a good one.
Nice. So have a nice evening.
Thank you. I'll see you soon.
Nice to meet you. Thank you. And will you be setting fire to anything in theory?
Not personally, but I'll be enjoying those that do. I'll be enjoying what they create. They always create different sort of effigies of different characters, whether it's like political characters or cartoon characters, or real and fictional. So they're all relevant to the year we've just had. So I imagine there will be a Mr. Donald Trump floating around the ceiling, or a Nigel Farage. But something like that for sure. Yeah,
fantastic.
And I'll be burning those.
Oh, great. Well, have a nice evening.
You too, man.
Okay, well, I hope you have a nice evening. Nice speaking to you.
Thank you.
Well, enjoy your time in Brighton.
Thank you. You too.
Hope you have a nice evening.
You too.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, it was really nice talking to you. Have a lovely one. Yep.
Thank you.
Always.
Thank you for watching this week's episode. How do you like it? Please let us know in the comments below. Were people speaking too quickly? Were people making too many mistakes? Would you like to see more specific based topics that I'm asking them? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, we'll see you next time. Ta-ra!